Hi, my name is Lukas Stühlinger, and I'm CFO of Ecop. Ecop is a European clean tech company in industrial heat. And the aim of Ecop is really to help industrial clients to reduce the dependency of oil and gas. I think you can all imagine why this is important now. I mean, already the European Green Deal has triggered a rethink in industry and getting away from gas and oil and also coal in some sectors. And now, in the last 2 months, the war in Ukraine has really changed the market completely. We are seeing a massive uptick in interest and direct interest from industries to change and to go away from fossil fuels. I think if you read the news yesterday, you know that also in Germany, everybody's talking about gas rationing in autumn. So there needs to be change, and that's happening now. Even more so because, especially in industry, the global heat demand is massively based on fossil fuels. Over 90% of the heat is being produced by fossil fuels, and gas is an important point of that. So what do? Our technology is heat pump technology with a capacity of 700 kilowatt at the moment. And if you look at the heat market in the industry, there is basically it's a wide range of temperatures, and there is no one-size-fits-all solution for the whole change which is necessary. But in the temperature range up to 100 degrees, there is conventional heat pumps which can do this already and can replace gas. And in the higher temperature ranges, you have everything is going into hydrogen. But there is a gap in the middle, and this is the gap we close. We close the gap between 100 degrees and 200 degrees, especially for processes in industrial processes such as cooking, washing, pasteurizing. These are the kind of processes which we can replace, and also we can produce steam. And that's our USP. We are more or less alone in this segment, up to 200 degrees. And one important factor in this is that we can achieve high efficiency on all temperature levels. So if necessary, we can also go down to lower temperatures, to 16, 70 degrees. In terms of value and kind of commercial USPs, what as I said, we can do self-sufficient plants with higher temperatures, but especially for industrial clients, it's important that the ROI time is very short. So at the moment, we can produce heat and kind of have a return on investment after 2 years, and we can save energy costs of about 400,000 euros per machine per year, and we can cut emissions by about 2,500 tons of CO2 per year. The market potential is huge, and we have a total addressable market of about 3 billion in Europe, because the industrial market as a heat market is a very big market. And this is actually data from 2021. We believe that with this kind of the current situation, the market has become much bigger because much more potential can be lifted. We're across all important industries. One of the main focus for us is the food and beverage industry, because the processes I mentioned, washing, pasteurizing, distilling, and so on, this is something we see a lot in the food and beverage industry. But we also have cases in, for example, the metals industry, in the buildings, and a very big market is also the brick market, which is an early market at the moment. This is the growth case for us now with the new situation in the market and with massive interest, which is of industrial companies coming to us. We need to scale up quickly. This is the scale-up plan. We are making $1 million on revenues this year, scaling that up to about 6 million next year. And then, and for us now, the important part is really not the engineering part. That's all done. That's all finished. We need to go in sales, and we need support for that. That's why we are raising 10 million in funds to hit 40 million in revenue in 2025. And we have a great investor base with us, our biggest investors in energy, but we also have smaller investors, in Austrian investors. Now we're looking for big partners to help us to scale quickly. So we're looking forward to work with you on the green transformation. If there is any interest, and if you want to talk about our product and our investment, please come to me. I'm still out there and available for meetings. Thank you very much.